In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a product on Amazon after 6 months. Sometimes, you might find yourself facing issues with an item that you purchased a while ago, and you realize it's defective or damaged well past the initial return window. Thankfully, there are a few steps you can take to potentially resolve these issues even after 6 months. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start by checking your orders on Amazon.com. Here, you're looking for any available options that allow you to return or replace items. While you usually have a 30-day window for returns, occasionally there are direct options for select products that extend beyond this period. So it's a good idea to see if such an option exists for your item. If you don't see an immediate way to initiate a return or replacement there, don't worry. There's still more you can do. Your next step is to get in touch with Amazon customer service. If the online option isn't available, customer service can really help clarify your situation. To contact them, head over to the Help section on the Amazon website or app. Here you can choose how you'd like to communicate. Whether it's through chat, phone, or email, Amazon offers various pathways to reach their support team. Simply follow the prompts to initiate contact. When you're communicating with Amazon's customer service, it's essential to clearly explain your situation. Let them know that your item is defective, or that there's some kind of significant issue with it. And importantly, that it's beyond the standard return window. Articulating the problem clearly can help the representative understand your situation and offer a potential solution. As you engage with customer service, make sure you have all relevant details on hand. This includes your order number and specific product details because Amazon might request this information to pull up your purchase history. Additionally, be ready to provide photos or any other documentation that could demonstrate the defect or damage. This willingness to cooperate fully can facilitate the process, showing that your claim is valid and genuine. Last but not least, it's vital to ensure that you are honest throughout this process. Don't attempt to exaggerate or misrepresent the situation to benefit unfairly. Amazon's support system is in place to help customers who are facing legitimate issues. By being truthful and respectful, you're more likely to achieve a satisfactory resolution. By following these steps, there's a good chance you'll either get a replacement for your product or, in some cases, even a refund, all while maintaining your integrity and working within the system that Amazon has established for such issues. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your next steps with confidence.